Hey everyone, today we're diving into the powerful lesson and quiz export import feature in Academy LMS. Streamline your e-learning workflow today. Let's export lessons and quizzes. To export a lesson, head to the Tools menu in your Academy LMS dashboard. Click on Export Import. Select Lesson. Hit Export Lesson button. Your lesson will be downloaded as a CSV file. Exporting quizzes is similar. To do that, go for Quizzes and hit on Export Quizzes. Your quizzes will be downloaded as a CSV file. Time to import lessons and quizzes. For importing lessons, go to Tools, click on Export Import, then go to the Import section. Select Lessons and hit Upload. Choose your CSV file and click Import Lessons. Your lessons are now imported. Now, let's import quizzes. From the same Tools menu, select Quizzes. Click on Upload. Choose the CSV file Quizzes. Click Import Quizzes, and your quizzes are imported seamlessly. And that's it. Managing your course content just got a whole lot easier with Academy LMS's lesson and quiz export import feature. Use this feature and make your e-learning journey much easier now.